If you've ever found yourself wondering how to flirt with a woman without being awkward or weird, don't worry, I got you. Today, we're breaking it down step by step so you can flirt naturally, confidently, and most importantly, without coming off as creepy. So, if you're ready to step up your flirting game, hit that like button and let's get started. What is flirting? Flirting is just playful and fun communication that builds attraction. It's not about impressing her with big words or trying to be someone you're not. It's about making her feel good around you. Think of it like a dance. Light, fun, and full of energy. And guess what? Women love a guy who can make them feel comfortable and excited at the same time. So, let's talk about how to do that. The first golden rule: confidence. You don't need to be the loudest or the funniest guy in the room, but you do need to be comfortable in your own skin. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. A genuine smile is an instant attraction booster. Don't be afraid to take up space. Relaxed body language shows confidence. Speak clearly and don't rush your words. If you sound unsure, she'll feel unsure about you too. If you feel nervous, that's okay. Confidence isn't about never feeling nervous. It's about pushing through it. One of the easiest ways to flirt with a girl is by teasing her playfully, but in a fun and lighthearted way. If she has an interesting hairstyle, you can say, "Wow, you must have spent a whole 5 minutes on that masterpiece," with a cheeky smile. Or if she's ordering a fancy drink, "Oh, so you're one of those people, huh? I bet you have a secret menu at Starbucks, too." It's all about playful energy. To top it all, say it with a smile and warmth and not like you're trying to put her down. Flirting isn't just about what you say, it's also about what you do. Lean in slightly when she talks. It shows you're interested. Mirror her movements. If she takes a sip of her drink, you take a sip too. It creates a natural connection. Light touches, only when appropriate. Like a quick tap on the arm when laughing at a joke. This builds closeness without being over the top. Body language speaks louder than words, so use it to your advantage. Compliments are great, but let's do them right. Instead of generic compliments like, "You're so pretty," go for something unique and genuine. Say something like, "I love how passionate you are about something she likes. It's really cool to see. You have such a great laugh. It's kinda contagious." I'll tell you something. The best compliments focus on her personality, energy, or vibe, not just her looks. If you focus on her looks, then to her you're just like every other guy that comes her way. You do not want to be that guy. One big mistake guys make? Being too serious too soon. Just keep the conversation light, fun, and engaging. Be spontaneous. Talk about fun topics like crazy travel stories, favorite childhood memories, or weird food combinations. And please avoid deep, intense conversations too early. Flirting should feel easy and not like a job interview. And most importantly, laugh. And also make her laugh. If you're having fun, she's more likely to enjoy your presence and you won't be just any guy to her. Here's a power move. Know when to end the conversation first. If things are going great, don't overstay your welcome. Say something like, "I'd love to keep chatting, but I gotta run. Let's continue this later." Then, ask for her number. Leaving at the right moment keeps the interaction exciting and makes her look forward to seeing you again. So there, you have it. Flirting doesn't have to be complicated. Just be confident, playful, and genuine. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. What's your best flirting tip? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.